Hello children, welcome to e-learning session. And children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about living things non-living things. The chapter number 6 of science. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn living and non-living things, difference between living and non-living things. Okay. So what is the living things and non-living things? All animals, plants and human beings are living things. Things like bat, ball, chair, table, fan and vents are non-living things. Like living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Like living things need food and water, but non-living things doesn't need. Okay, living things need food and water to live and grow. Animals eat plants and flesh of other animals as food. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Human beings human beings depends on both plants and animals for food. So now children, living things move. So firstly, what is the difference? Living things move, but non-living things can't move. Okay, and living things can move on their own. They move from one place to another in search of food, shelter and protect themselves from enemies. Animals like cow, lion and dog move with the help of their legs. Birds and some insects fly with the help of their wings. Plants do not move from one place to another because why plants do not move? Why? They do not need to search for food. Different parts of a plant can slow movement. The leaves of mimosa plants close when touch the sunflower, and the sunflower turns towards the sun. Okay, does a chair move on its own? No, non-living things do not move on their own. They move only when someone moves them. Okay, children. So now living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. Living things need air to breathe. Humans beings and animals breathe through their nose. Insects like grasshopper and cockroach breathe their air holes present on their body. Plants breathe through teeny pores present on the leaves. These teeny pores are called stomata. Okay. So turn your page, children. So here you can see the picture. Humans wings breathing through nose and grasshopper insects breathe through ईयर होल. इसमें ईयर होल होता है. एंड फिश ब्रेथिंग देयर गिल्स एंड प्लांट्स ब्रेथिंग थ्रू स्टोमाटा. सो नाउ what is the again difference? Living things grow, but non-living things cannot grow. All living things grow over a period of time. They change in shape and size. So does a pen grow? No, because non-living things do not grow. Living things feel. Okay, what happened when you get hurt? Do you feel happy or sad? Sad na? Okay. Do you cry or laugh? Cry na? Yes, because you can feel, because you are human being. All living things feel changes around them. Animals feel changes around them with the help of their sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are sense organs. Insects like cockroach and butterfly feel changes around them with the help of their antenna. Plants do not have sense organs, but they also feel. Plants grow towards the towards the light. Mimosa plants feels when touched. Does a toy car feels pain? No, non-living things do not feel. Okay, living things produces, but non-living things do not produce. Okay, all living things have babies. Reproduction is the process by which most living things produce more of their own kinds. Okay children, so now we will know about the living things die. Living things cannot die forever. Plants, animals and human beings die. Non-living things like books, toys and chairs do not die. They remain some forever. So here we will know about the differences between living and non-living things. Number one, living things need food to live and grow, but non-living things do not need food to live. They can move on their own, but non-living things, they cannot move on their own. Third, living things, they need air to breathe. Non-living things do not need air to breathe. Living things grow over a period of time, but non-living things do not grow. Living things feel changes around them, but non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce, but non-living things do not reproduce. Living things die, but non-living things do not die. Okay. So children, here you can revise and memorize what is the living things and non-living things, stomata and reproduction. You have to learn all things. Okay. This chapter is over. So now thank you children. Have a nice day.